Hey everyone, it's Nick from Hawk Pro Detailing. Unboxing videos are fun, and you're about to see all the goodies that I just got from my rep at Ceramic Pro. I'm going to show you the products that I get ready to go before I apply a professional grade ceramic coating. I love using the pink towel method. These are plush microfiber towels. And if I can get away with it, I like to use brand new ones. I'll usually let these go a couple of coatings through, but these are like 400 GSM, crazy soft towels. Ceramic Pro has what they call the pink towel method, and these are in plastic, so I'm gonna leave these in there, and I'm not even gonna wash them before I use them. They're just gonna be perfectly plush and nice. These are the applicators, and I may go through 4 of these in a job, but these help to spread the product out evenly, efficiently, and they're always going to be clean. So much of what we do is the prep work, right? And it's working extremely clean. I've got a nice brochure here that I'll give the customer, and then the aftercare and warranty information for the customer. I'm doing a bronze package, which is a 2-year warranty on a brand new amazing Ford truck. I'll probably do a video about it this weekend. So with that, all I'm using is Ceramic Pro Light, and that's what I've got here. I will use Car Pro Eraser. I will use a polish of some sort. I'm going to prep the paint correctly, but when it comes down to it, a lot of the process is all about doing your prep the right way. So it's not only washing the vehicle properly, claying it, polishing it, using your paint prep when appropriate, but after I've done a paint prep bath with Car Pro Eraser, then I'm going to come in with Ceramic Pro Cleaner, which is kind of their insurance policy, to really make sure that you have totally dialed in that paint. It is completely clean before you apply Ceramic Pro 9H or Ceramic Pro Light. Now, the reason I ordered more Ceramic Pro Light is because this is how much I have left. Not enough to confidently go and do a job. So I had a little bit of product left over. For those of you who don't know, these are glass coating. So when the solvent in there evaporates, it turns into an amazing protective glass coating on your vehicle. I've done videos about how, you know, there are some truths about coatings that you need to know, and I wasn't calling out Ceramic Pro at all. I mean, the water beads are insane, the slickness is insane, the customer service is insane, the marketing is insane, and the margins are really good too. So as professional detailers, we love applying ceramic coatings. You know what I bought? All right, this is my test to see if anyone on YouTube's actually watching. I bought a strike plate from Ceramic Pro, and I've never even opened it. Can anybody tell me what the hell this thing is? Am I supposed to coat like half of it and use it as a marketing tool? I've never opened it. All right, guys, this was more of like, hey, let me just try to stay consistent and make a video a day than anything of consequential value, but it's kind of fun to unbox stuff. And I do like to highlight that I like to use new products that haven't been used before, something that is, you know, protected in plastic, like those bags can hit the ground, but I normally wouldn't want my microfiber towels on the ground. I think this is probably like a $250 shipment, so you're getting somebody who believes in high quality stuff on the front end. Yes, I want to make money, but you don't cut corners when it comes to a ceramic coating. And so all my products are going to be clean. All my products are going to be as new as possible. And after we use, you know, the Car Pro Eraser and Ceramic Pro Cleaner, we'll very carefully apply that coating. I've got all kinds of lights. I'm really excited for this job coming up this weekend. But hey, I know, just kind of a random video unboxing here, but again, thanks to the crew at Ceramic Pro. They ship out same day usually. They get it to you right away, and can't say enough good things about the customer service. Sometimes that's an amazing thing in this day and age when customer service is kind of a lost art. Have a great day, guys.